Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check your flight's status in the Emirates application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the Travel Essentials section, click on the Flight Status button. And as you can see, there are three sections here. So you can find flights by writing the departs and arrives country. You can also type in your flight number and find flights through that, and here will be all the flights that you can track through these two ways. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.